What is up, you guys? Welcome back to the channel. For those of you that are new, my name is Yeda, and on this channel I do home decor, DIY, and lifestyle videos. I would love for you to join the Glammo Squad, but in order to do that, you gotta hit that subscribe button down below. Also, make sure to hit that bell link, that way you are notified every single time that I post a new video. Today's video, as you can see, well, you can't see, but this door is my closet. And as you can tell by the title, I am organizing my closet. The summer is ending, the fall is approaching, so out with the old, in with the new, or out with the summer, in with fall clothes. Y'all know what I'm talking about. I actually picked up 2 of these bins from Home Goods. They were $5.99 each. They're pretty deep. And I bought these so I can put my purses inside of here. So yeah, I'm not gonna keep rambling. Let's go ahead and take a look in my closet. Alright guys, so first off, my closet has a light that only comes on when you walk into the closet, and then it'll shut off within like a couple seconds of being in the closet. One, because I'm short, the light doesn't stay on, so the lighting may go in and out of this video, but I just want to let you guys know up front, that is why. So see, look, it's off, it's on, and then within a couple of seconds it's gonna be off again. So just bear with me. So as y'all can see, I have purses from here all the way wrapped around here. So the plan is to put the purses in these bins and place these bins up at the top of the closet. So let's go ahead and do that first. So the first bin is done. now that I got the top of the closet under control, it's time to take out my summer clothes. I wear summer sweaters all year round, cardigans because it be freezing at work. So you'll already see some sweaters in here, but a lot of my summer dresses, I'm gonna move them into the other closet. So let's go ahead and do that. Alright, as you can see, some of the pants are organized by color. The blue jeans, I just keep those separated from like my work pants or going out pants. And then my sweatpants I keep towards the back where my robe is at. As you can see, the shirts, the blacks, the greens, the pinks, the mustard or orange, and the grays and so forth. Alright guys, so also another tip that I like to do is purchase the same hangers. I have these type of hangers, the velvet black hangers. I picked these up from, I think I got these ones from TJ Maxx, but they sell them everywhere. So I really like how all of my clothes are on the same style hanger. It just makes the closet a little bit more organized as well. So if you don't have these, they come in different colors. I would definitely recommend go and pick you up some. Alright guys, that wraps up today's video. Hopefully you guys enjoyed it. If so, be sure to give this video a thumbs up. Also leave a comment down in the comment section below letting me know what you guys thought. If you guys want to see more organization videos, let me know. You might just see it on my channel. Make sure you are subscribing to my channel. We are growing, y'all. We're growing, so continue to subscribe. Tell your friends, tell your family to subscribe and join the Glamour Squad. Follow me on Instagram at glamour_chick and also my design page at the Glamour Effect Designs. I'll leave them down in the description box below. That way you can follow. And until then, I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye.